This is how much a friend of mine made from this app that I want to show you right now. They pay you just to post on TikTok, and then when you post on TikTok, after 2 days, they calculate your earnings and then they give it to you. All right, guys, this is a new account. So, guys, if you want to know how this guy actually made this money, do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I post a video like this related to how to make money online, you can always be there to earn from it. All right, and to catch up. All right, so you're just going to download the app, and then the first thing you're going to do is to attach the referral code of the person that refers you. All right, after attaching the referral code, note guys, at the end of this video I will show you how you can download this app. It's not available for every country. We have a way of downloading this app. So guys, the next thing you're going to do is for you to connect your TikTok account, and that's what I'm doing right now. All right, I'm just going to connect with a Gmail. All right, so I'll just choose the preferred email that I want to use to log in with. So immediately I choose the email, from here it's going to take me into my TikTok account. All right, so let's wait for a while. It's going to load and take me to my TikTok account. All right, as you can see, it's going to ask me to what connect. All right, so you hit on that continue button so that it's going to connect your TikTok account with this app. All right, the app is safe. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. I just hit on it. All right, guys, it's connecting right now. As you can see, connecting TikTok account has been what added. All right, so automatically, as you can see, look at my balance here. My balance now has been refreshed, and then it is reflecting a figure there. All right, so that means I have earned from this app. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to see how we are going to make a post, because when you post on TikTok, that is when they pay you. All right, so actually I was able to make something from this website. So let's add a post now. All right, don't forget, guys, if you want to make money online, you can join my Telegram group, my WhatsApp community, and so on and so forth, so that you can catch up with my next video. All right, so now see, this is how to make a post. Now see this place, they said if you're not sure of what to do, they gave you a sample of their content. This is their advert materials. All right, so you can post this one. You can just probably download it, right? This is like what they advertise for you to post. So you can just download this. After download this, you can make it a carousel post, or you can just make it a video, or just a slide, or even an image. All right, all you have to do is just to mention their name. All right, call their name while you are posting. You tag them. All right, so now let's make a post. All right, so those images I've downloaded them already, so I mix them together, and so I'm going to post them now. All right, so after merging them together, I create a slide post. So I'm just going to hit on what next for us to post. This is my TikTok account, right? So let's select an audio to it. So I'm just going to pick one audio, and then I'm going to hit next. All right, so when I hit next, the next thing I'm hoping for is for me to see where I'm definitely going to hit on what post. So which I've done that now. As you can see, the post here, the left hand side here, this is the post, right? So let's view it. So this is how it looks like. All right, look at it. It's going to be sliding. It's going to be sliding. So after this place here, I think the next thing we need to do is to go to the app and verify if truly they have counted that I have done a post. So I'm opening the app now. This is the app. So let's scroll down. I think, okay, I can see it right here. So it is saying down here, social tip and what Ematalk update. Okay, there's a post there. So let's complete the post here. We're going to click on this confirm. All right, post completed. That means they have approved that we have a post. All right, let's see. All right, see now, guys, 1 day, 23 hours, 59 minutes remaining for me myself to get paid. So after then, they are going to calculate how much I've made based on the views. All right, so when you start having views, they will start paying you. As you can see, my balance is still 1. All right, so there are many brands you can tag, but we are using that social tip as the mentioned brand to tag. All right, so guys, at the end of this video, what I want to do is to review. Let me tell you what happened. At the end of this video, my friend called me and told me that the money he made, 51 pounds that he made, was approximately deducted from his balance. So guys, my honest review is that you should not waste your time on this particular app, though the promises are too much there for you to believe that is legit. All right, but in case you want to try it, I said at the end of this video, I will show you how you can download it and give it a try. Maybe your region might allow you to withdraw, and to do that, you just have to go to your Play Store or to your App Store and download Thunder VPN. Then turn it to UK, then allow it to on for a while, and then when your location is on UK, you can see this app on your phone wherever you are in Africa. So please stay out of it, but just keep on trying if you want to. All right, guys, do subscribe for more app review and then more app that will make you money online. All right, guys, see you on my next video.